Let's learn the ABCs with Eva today. It's fun and easy, come on, let's play. A for alligator in an apron baking. B for bear in a tutu shaking. C for cat in a cowboy hat so fine. D for dog as a detective on the line. ABC, sing with me, learning letters 1, 2, 3. E for elephant with earmuffs worn. F for fish in a top hat, performing a form. G for gorilla gardening with delight. H for hippo in a Hawaiian shirt bright. ABC, sing with me, learning letters 1, 2, 3. I for iguana on ice skates gliding. J for jaguar with juice boxes sliding. K for kangaroo flying a kite high. L for lion in a lay, oh my. ABC, sing with me, learning letters 1, 2, 3. M for monkey as a magician clever. N for nightingale with spaghetti forever. O for orangutan peeling an orange round. P for pig as a pirate on the ground. ABC, sing with me, learning letters 1, 2, 3. Q for quail as a queen so grand. R for rabbit on roller skates, understand. S for snake with sunglasses cool. T for turtle tap dancing no fool. ABC, sing with me, learning letters 1, 2, 3. U for unicorn with an umbrella wide. V for vulture playing violin with pride. W for whale in a bubble bath fun. X for x-ray of a xylophone done. ABC, sing with me, learning letters 1, 2, 3. Y for yak, yodel loud and free. Z for zebra in a cape, you'll see. ABC, we did it, see all the letters A to Z with Eva.